Hello everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to apply online to Rhodes University for the 2027 academic year. Whether you're currently in grade 12, have already completed matric, or you're an international applicant, this guide will walk you through the application process, admission requirements, APS scores, required documents, accommodation information, and other important details you should know before applying. Rhodes University applications for the 2027 academic year opened on the 1st of April 2026 and are scheduled to close on the 30th of September 2026. Although applications remain open for several months, it is strongly recommended that you apply as early as possible. Early applications give you enough time to resolve any issues, submit outstanding documents, and respond to requests from the admissions office before the deadline arrives. Many students ask whether they can apply while still in grade 12. The answer is yes. Rhodes University allows current grade 12 learners to apply using their grade 11 final results, together with their latest available grade 12 results. Students who have already completed matric may apply using their final National Senior Certificate results, while international students can apply using equivalent qualifications from their respective countries. To start your application, visit the Rhodes University Admission Gateway. From there, you can access the Rhodes Online Student System, commonly known as ROS. This is the official application portal, where you create an account, complete your application, upload supporting documents, and later check your application status. Always use the official university website when applying to avoid scams and unofficial application services. Before starting your application, make sure you have all the required documents ready. Most applicants will need a certified copy of their South African ID document or passport, along with their latest academic results. International applicants may be required to submit additional supporting documents, depending on their qualifications. Ensure that all uploaded documents are clear and easy to read, because unclear documents can delay the processing of your application. One of the most important concepts to understand before applying is the admission point score, also known as ATS. Rhodes University uses APS calculations together with subject requirements when assessing applications. Different programs require different APS scores, so it is very important to review the specific requirements for the qualification you intend to study before submitting your application. To give you an idea of how APS works, Rhodes generally considers applicants with strong academic performance across 6 recognized subjects, excluding life orientation. For many programs, an APS of around 45 points is considered competitive. Some extended curriculum programs may have lower entry requirements, while highly sought-after programs may require stronger academic results and higher mathematics or language marks. For example, a student who achieves marks in the 70s and 80s across key subjects such as English, mathematics, accounting, life sciences, and an additional language could achieve an APS score in the mid-40s. This is why it is important to calculate your APS before applying. Rhodes provides detailed admission information to help students understand whether they are likely to qualify for a particular program. Rhodes University offers undergraduate qualifications through several faculties. These include the Faculty of Humanities, Faculty of Commerce, Faculty of Law, Faculty of Science, and the Faculty of Education. Each faculty offers a range of programs with different admission requirements. Before applying, take time to explore the available qualifications and choose programs that align with both your career goals and your academic strengths. A common question students ask is whether meeting the minimum requirements guarantees admission. Unfortunately, the answer is no. Meeting the minimum APS and subject requirements simply means that you may be considered for admission. Some programs receive more applications than available spaces, meaning applicants are selected competitively based on their academic performance and the number of places available. Students also frequently ask about application fees. Before making any payment, always check the latest application fee information directly on the official Rhodes University admissions website. Universities sometimes update fee structures, and requirements may differ depending on the type of application being submitted. Always follow the instructions provided on the official admissions portal. If you plan to live on campus, it is important to understand that admission to Rhodes University does not automatically guarantee residence accommodation. Residence placement is managed separately and is subject to availability. Students who require accommodation should carefully review the residence information provided by the university and complete any required accommodation processes within the specified timeframes. Funding your studies is another important consideration. Eligible South African students may apply for NSFAS funding if they meet the required criteria. Rhodes University also offers various scholarships, bursaries, and financial assistance opportunities. Students are encouraged to explore all available funding options early and ensure that applications for financial aid are submitted before the relevant deadlines. After submitting your application, make sure you regularly monitor your application status through the ROS portal. The university may request additional documents or provide updates regarding your application. Use an email address that you check regularly and save your login details somewhere safe. Many students experience delays simply because they miss important emails or forget their account information. Before submitting your application, carefully review every section to ensure all information is correct. Common mistakes include uploading poor quality documents, entering incorrect contact details, forgetting to upload required documents, or waiting until the last minute to apply. Taking a few extra minutes to review your application can help prevent unnecessary delays and improve your overall application experience. I hope this guide has helped you understand the Rhodes University online application process for 2027. If you found this video useful, please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing it with other students who may be planning to apply. If you have any questions about Rhodes University admissions, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to help. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your application.